Did you know that one of the biggest lies told to kids if they want to be rich is to go to school, study hard, go to a university, and get a good job? Don't get me wrong, studies and your majors will help you a lot, but you're not guaranteed to have a job or even a high-paying job. Here's the thing, solely relying on your degree isn't the best approach to get rich. It's important to start some side hustles that have the ability to grow in the future. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 practical and profitable side hustles that any student can kick off this year. These aren't your typical part-time jobs. They're opportunities with serious potential to grow into substantial income streams. Stick around till the end because I've spent countless hours researching these hustles, and I've even tried and earned with some of them. So let's dive in. Side hustle number 1, faceless short-form content. Did you know that you can make thousands of dollars every month without showing your face as a content creator? No kidding. You can really make a ton of money with faceless short-form content. Imagine being Daniel Bitten, who started using social media at 13 just for fun. Fast forward to 16, and he's earning $500,000 every month through Snapchat. And guess what? He doesn't even show his face. You might think it's a fake story, but it's real. I even did some digging and confirmed this guy is not bluffing. So, how is this possible? Well, it all boils down to a fierce competition between Snapchat, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Since TikTok skyrocketed during the pandemic, these platforms have been in a battle for your attention. More users means more companies willing to advertise dollars, and they need creators like you to pull in those views. The big hook here? Money. It's a golden opportunity, but it won't last forever. Once a platform secures its top spot, payouts will drop, so act fast. And to earn big like Daniel, creating original content is key. Instead of just chopping up other people's videos, Daniel adds unique voiceovers, music, and edits to his clips. This creativity combined with regular posting led to explosive growth. He also diversified his content across multiple channels, covering different niches like rapper updates and live streamers. So, let's rate this hustle. For time to learn, I'd give it a 4 out of 5. It looks easy, but creating engaging short clips takes more skill than you think. If you're a fanatic of TikTok or Shorts, you're already ahead. It's all about nailing that hook and delivering a satisfying payoff to keep viewers watching till the end. Master this, and you'll see your videos go viral. Watching short-form content regularly and analyzing what makes you stop and watch can teach you a lot. Make notes and you'll gather a treasure trove of winning ideas. Meanwhile, for investment money, this is a 1 out of 5. All you need is a phone and internet. Chances are, if you're watching this, you've got both. And for the difficulty in making $1,000 a month, also a 1 out of 5. Platforms are handing out cash to creators. To make $1,000 a month, you only need to be less than 1% as good as Daniel. Moving on to the next side hustle. Side hustle number 2, creating Discord channels. Now, meet Chris Peters, who's on track to earn $15,000 a month building and managing Discord servers at just 19. What he did first is to chat with some rich content creator and offered to help for free. Then, he revamped their server channel, and now he's a crucial part of their team. Discord is an all-in-one communication platform, originally for gamers but now used by various communities and businesses. There's a huge opportunity here because many people, especially older ones, don't understand how to use it. Chris started his business while still in school, juggling it with his exams. His top tip, join multiple communities to learn what makes a successful server. Let's rate creating Discord channels. Time to learn is a 2.5 out of 5. Basics are quick to pick up, but advanced features take time depending on your tech skills. The cost is a 1 out of 5, you just need a computer. And the difficulty in making $1,000 a month? Another 1 out of 5. Get a few clients, charge them $250 each, and you're there. Find the right clients, and you can charge even more. Next on the list, side hustle number 3, online coaching. It doesn't require you to be the best at something. All you need is to be a bit better than someone. Now, meet Jack Jefferson, who quit his $70,000 a year job to pursue online fitness coaching, now making $7,000 a month. The real perk? Freedom. He can work from anywhere with an internet connection. He has now over 40 clients and is growing. You don't need to be a fitness expert. Jack may be in good shape, but he's not the best at something. Online coaching can be in any field. The young millionaires I know often have info products and are killing it. Jack starts with an in-depth onboarding, then creates personalized nutrition and fitness plans, followed by regular check-ins. So, let's rate online coaching. Time to learn gets a 2 out of 5 if you have a skill to teach. Just learn how to package and sell it. The cost is a 1 out of 5. All you need is a laptop. And difficulty in making $1,000 a month, a 1 out of 5. Personalization is key. People pay for convenience. Next is side hustle number 4, AI animation. This time, meet Mercy, who makes $8,000 to $10,000 a month creating animation solutions for clients. AI is the next big thing, but few businesses use it. Mercy used tools like ChatGPT for writing scripts and Midjourney for AI-generated images. Let's rate AI animation. Time to learn is a 4 out of 5. AI helps, but you still need to master animation skills. Cost is 1 out of 5. Early adoption means standing out without expensive tools. Mercy got featured on Andrew Tate's Instagram with AI art, boosting his client base. And for the difficulty in making $1,000 a month, a 2 out of 5. Creators want to stand out, and AI animations make content more engaging. This next side hustle requires a little investment, but it's worth it. Side hustle number 5. Reselling luxury items. Meet Ben Gallagher, who started reselling luxury goods online and generated around 7 million pounds in 2023. He even got investment from Stephen Bartlett on Dragon's Den. Luxury resale is booming, driven by social media and millennial interest. Now, let's rate it. Time to learn gets a 4 out of 5. You need to identify fakes and understand the market. Ben checks items meticulously and send sample to a New York company for verification. The cost is 3.5 out of 5. Designer items are pricey, but you can start small and scale up. Ben leverages social media for free marketing. As for the difficulty in making $1,000 a month, a 1 out of 5. High profit margins mean you can hit this with just one item. Everyone knows how to do this next side hustle. Side hustle number 6. Online writing. Meet Adam, who earns over $10,000 a month writing online. Not novels, but blog posts, copywriting for influencers, and more. Adam's secret? Offering exclusive high-quality service. Let's rate writing. Time to learn is a 5 out of 5. Writing well is tough and requires focus. The cost is 1 out of 5. A cheap phone is enough. And for the difficulty in making $1,000 a month, a 1 out of 5. Good writing can command high rates. It's about creating value and leveraging your skills. The last side hustle is what makes people become millionaires or even billionaires without doing too much. Side hustle number 7. Investing. Some might argue it's not a side hustle. One of my index funds makes me about $10,000 a week just using my spare money. Even Warren Buffett became a millionaire doing investments, so it's worth mentioning. It will take years to build up, and you don't have to pay a financial advisor. The strategy that worked for me is dollar cost averaging. This means consistently buying into the market whether prices are high or low. Over time, your purchase price averages out, and you can apply this to any stock. Index funds are particularly great. For instance, investing $200 a month for 40 years at a $10 annual return can grow to over $1.2 million. You might think 10% is unrealistic, but the S&P 500 has averaged 11% over the past decade. Sure, waiting 40 years isn't for everyone. I didn't want to wait either, so I built my wealth through side hustles and businesses, then multiplied it in the stock market. Now, let's rate investing. Time to learn is a 1 out of 5. The basics are simple. I can even create a detailed video if you want. Just comment it down below. And modern investment apps makes it easier by automating monthly investments. The cost? Another 1 out of 5. You can start with just $1. But don't put all your money into stocks. Reinvest in your side hustles too. And making $1,000 a month through investing gets a 1 out of 5 for ease. It's effortless once you're established, but it requires years of consistent investing. Pair it with a quick cash-generating side hustle. If you need a detailed video about each of the side hustle, comment it down below and I'll make a video especially for you.